feature to the menu. We can make our menu area clean by controlling the display of main and submenu list. This is my HTML page. In this I have used jQuery JavaScript library for creating menu using jQuery. Friends, first I have write one division tag with class name wrapper and close division tag. Between this class I have write on an unorder list tag with class name nav and close unorder list tag. Between this unorder list tag I have write 3 list tag with anchor tag with hash link. I have write 3 list tag with text home, services and about us. Now in between service list tag I have again write 1 open and close unorder list tag, and between this tag I have a 3 list tag with anchor tag with hash link. I have add 3 list item like a consulting, sales and support. After this I have moved to about us list item, and between this list tag I have again add 1 more open and close unorder list tag, and between this tag I have again add 3 list item like company, mission and contact information with anchor tag with hash link. Now friends, I have saved this HTML code and check output in browser. Now I have set the CSS property of 1 by 1 all required tag in class. First I have set the CSS property of body tag. CSS property of this tag will affect the whole page. I have set body color with #333. With this whole body text color will be blank, and I want to set the Arial font to whole page, so I have write font family set to Arial. So this way I have set whole page font to Arial. After this I have moved to set the property of wrapper class. In wrapper class I have write width with 540 pixel and margin with 0 auto. By writing this property, wrapper class width will be 540, and with help of margin 0 with auto, wrapper class will be moved to center of the page. Now friends, I have moved to set the CSS property of nav class. In this class I have write menu and submenu. In this I have write set margin 0 padding 0 and list style with none property. By writing this property, this will remove margin and padding and set remove default list style. Now friends, I want to set the CSS property of list item which in nav class. So I have write nav class with list tag. In this first I have write float left. This property will set the element float to the left. And after this I want to set the width of list item, so I have write width with 180 pixel, and lastly I have write position relative. This property will the element is positioned relative to its normal position. Now I want to set the property of anchor tag which is in list tag, and this list tag in nav class, so I have write nav class with list tag with anchor tag. Whichever CSS property right under this will set the anchor tag. First I want to set the background color of anchor tag. So I have write background with #333. After this I want to set the color of anchor tag to white, so I have write color property with white color. After this I have write display block. This property displays an element as a block element. Now I want to set the space around this anchor tag, so I have write padding with 12 pixel and 16 pixel, Here 12 pixel which set the top and bottom padding and 16 pixel which set the left and right padding. I want to remove the anchor tag decoration, so I have right text decoration to none. This property will remove the decoration from anchor tag. Lastly, I want to make top border on anchor tag, so I have right border top with border width 1 pixel, border style with solid and border color with #069. I want to change the color of anchor tag when mouse over the text, so I have right nav class with lead tag with anchor tag with hover property, and in this I have right color property with #069. So when mouse over the anchor tag, color will be changed. Now I have moved the submenu item. Submenu is right under unordered list, which is under nav class. So I have right nav class with the unordered list tag. First I want to hide the submenu item, so I have right display none. By writing this property, unordered list item will be hide. This will only visible when mouse over the main list tag like services or about us. Now friends, I have moved the jQuery code part, jQuery code right under script tag, so I have right open and close script tag, and between this tag I have right $document.ready method with one anonymous function. Under this function I will write jQuery code. When mouse on list tag, then submenu must be visible, and when mouse left the list tag, submenu must be hide. So I have right $with selector like nav class with list tag with hover method with anonymous function. This method triggers both the mouse enter and mouse leave events. In this I have right $with selector unordered list, and this with fade toggle method. Here selector unordered list, in which I have right submenu item like consulting, sales, support, company, mission and contact information, and this selector means it will display only that unordered list item on which mouse is over. This methods toggles between the fade in and fade out methods. If the elements are faded out, fade toggle method will fade them in, and if the elements are faded in, fade toggle method will fade them out. And lastly, I have saved this code and show in browser. Suppose I want to remove this dot style, so I have simply go to CSS property and write list style none. This will remove dot from submenu. Now I want to display submenu completely below the main menu, so I have right padding property to 0. So, friends, this is my video tutorial on how to create horizontal menu using CSS and JQuery. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends, and you can also share on social media. Friends, you want to get more update of my video, so, friends,